Yeah, and then optimize. So if a campaign is not working for like 5 days or so, chances are it's not going to get better. Ad types. So ad types, if it's for ecom, there's and if they don't have much creatives, you could use their catalog to kind of create that. We like to pair that usually with an ASC campaign. So that will just showcase the products based on the past interaction and kind of the best sellers, the one that are most likely to result in the purchase. That will be the first one to be displayed. There's a bunch of options for that. You can do the one we like is to do carousel. Sometimes with slideshow that will create like a small video for each card and going through the PDP images. And then the regular video image carousel ads. Um, for these, you want to use videos, of course, and images that grab attention, that kind of stop the scroll. Clear CTA. You want to be clear on the products you're advertising. You don't want people to second guess or not be sure, unless it's your strategy. But what we found is being clear, straightforward is usually the best way to go. And then you can test the same type of ad, different format, and test different angles. So you can come up with different angles if either it's it's solve a pain, or go with the benefits, or go with the price if they have better price, or if they higher quality, say it's high end luxury type of thing. So try to come up with different angles and push those with your ad copy and your ad creatives. And then live, so just launch your campaign, monitor the tracking, just make sure you see the add to cart. You can see the view content probably comes faster. So here, the view content or landing page actually probably is better. But here I'm putting the content view. So content views when they see a PDP, and landing page views when they see any landing page. So that could be homepage, collection page. Any page will fire this the landing page view right there. Yeah. So usually landing page view will be quite higher, but these guys use custom landing page, so that's why there's this discrepancy here. But then you can see like the ratio if you're sending to collection and you see like a little bit of quite a bit of landing page view, but not enough of content view. You might want to just switch out the first products that are displaying there. Stuff like that. So this will be the first event that will show if your pixel is working, and then afterwards you can look into the add to cart and purchase once you have some. Yeah, and then optimize. So if a campaign is not working for like 5 days or so, chances are it's not going to get better, or it's not going to turn around like drastically after like a week or so. So yeah, you want to make sure to adapt based on the results quite quickly, because Meta is usually sort of consistent, or if it's not consistent, it's usually for a drop. It's usually not for a big spike, unless there's like a climate event. Let's say there's a storm and they do roofing repair or something. That's when it'll go up. But other than that, it's usually stable, or it will go down because of fatigue or because of negative comments and stuff like that. And yeah, and then the next step is to test different creatives, audience as well. But creatives is where you'll see the biggest lever to the biggest changes. So that's where I recommend focusing always is on creatives. Look which creatives are getting most of the budget. So if you put like lots of creative into one ad set, only 2 or 3 will get most of the budget. So if those are not performing, you might want to duplicate and remove those and let the other ones spend, or just rethink your strategy, your angles, the way you advertise it. So yeah, that's kind of it for the presentation. my next point here was just the basic setup of campaigns, ads, and ad sets. So it's kind of similar to Google. So we have kind of 3 level. This is really basic, I know, but thought I'd share it. So we have campaigns. This is where you'll select your objective. So